Hello everyone. Today, in this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to create automation rules on Ontraport. To begin, sign up for an account on the Ontraport website by using the link in the description box. Let's get started. Creating automation rules in Ontraport is a pivotal strategy to automate tasks and processes efficiently in 2024. To initiate this process, access the Automation section within your Ontraport account and navigate to the Automation Rules dashboard. Click on the option to create a new automation, then define the trigger conditions that will activate the automation. You can start from scratch or you can use templates being offered. These conditions could include actions such as contact subscription, form completion, or purchase. Next, specify the actions you want the automation rule to perform once triggered, which may involve sending emails, selling a product, newsletter sign-up, and many more. Optionally, add filters to further refine the conditions under which the automation rule will activate. After reviewing and saving the rule, proceed to test it to ensure proper functionality. Monitor its performance over time, tracking metrics like open rates and conversion rates associated with the actions triggered. Continuously optimize the automation rule based on performance data and feedback, experimenting with different trigger conditions, actions, and filters to enhance efficiency and effectiveness. And that's it. By following these steps, you can create automation on Ontraport. Simply click the link in the description to access the platform. Thanks for watching,